New tonight, what will it take to fight crime in King County? Today, Executive Dow Constantine unveiled his multi-million-dollar proposal for a public safety plan. King 5's Christine Pay is here to tell us where your tax dollars will go. Christine.
Executive Constantine put it simply, public safety is a multifaceted endeavor, and tonight we have a better idea of how much it could cost the county.
2022 so far hasn't been easy for those fighting crime in King County. The King County Sheriff's Office has seen staffing shortages. Same goes for the county's jails. Shootings are trending up. In January, Metro Transit workers told King 5 there's a bad drug use problem in buses. And in August, several mayors in South King County signed a public plea they need help.
We really need to provide a higher level of public safety. Our community is demanding it.
King County Executive Dow Constantine is aware.
In the wake of the pandemic, our sense of safety and security has eroded.
On Monday, he introduced his budget proposal for public safety initiatives over the next 2 years. It includes $2 million to create a new King County Sheriff's Office unit to reduce gun violence and hire more detectives, plus $5 million to equip deputies with body cameras, something KCSO union members support.
The members of King County Police Officers Guild, they're looking forward to having cameras.
Mike Manzanares is president of that union and says it's not the cameras that will be costly.
It's the data storage for all those terabytes you're going to need. You know, it's kind of like when you buy a new printer and the printer's cheap. It's always that ink that gets you.
The proposal also invests $21 million for 50 extra Metro Transit security officers, bringing it to a total of 140.
Transit security officers are deployed where our data shows that we need to invest in those resources.
The budget also addresses the jails.
One of the biggest challenges that we face in our workforce as I stand here today is staffing.
The county's adult and juvenile detention department plans to hire 100 more corrections officers over the next 2 years. The proposed budget also invests in behavioral health programs, restoring jail services, and looking into alternative options for the jail in Seattle.
It's important that any programs that they explore, there needs to be checks and balances.
The president representing corrections officers in King County says the budget is one thing, accountability is another.
And when it comes down to it, these are taxpayer dollars that are being spent. So if you're going to throw millions of dollars at a program, let's make sure those millions of dollars actually work.
A reminder, these are only proposed investments and just a portion of the full budget that Executive Constantine will announce next week. The King County Council will then hold briefings and public hearings throughout October. Back to you.